Hey guys, keldeo here, back with another episode of pack opening. Today, I'm gonna show off my really good pulls that I got. Oh yeah, I pulled a Deoxys from a Plasma Freeze booster pack. It's locked, but still, it's pretty cool. I got another Karina full art. Yep, there it is. It's up for trade, by the way. And then, turn filters off. I got a shiny, yeah, shiny Garchomp, which looks really cool. In Dragon Blade for 100 damage, only 2 energy, so it's good. But I have 11 packs today. I got all these from doing tournaments. They fixed that issue because yeah, you can only like enter 6 tickets. I won first place, and then I did got a ton of second places and stuff. But you get 8 booster packs becoming first. You get 6 right here, and yeah, it's a really good way to get booster packs. But enough of that. I'm gonna open up some. So I'm gonna open up. Let's go with oldest to newest, or how about newest to oldest? So Phantom Forces, and this is 11 packs, by the way. So we should be getting a good pull. If we're not, then I don't know. I always get good pulls off camera, but on camera, what's this? Load. Okay, nothing from this. Bronzong. That's pretty good. And then, oh yeah, we got a Dialga EX. Oh, that's awesome. And then a Gudra reverse. I want to look at this card. Second pack, we already get an EX. That's pretty good. Xerosic. I think that's a holo. It's kind of hard to tell. I might just be regular. Nothing really else. We got Regigigas. It's pretty good. Oh my god! Yes, we got a Mega Gengar EX. Choose one of your opponent's Pokemon attacks and use it as this attack. Wow. We're finally getting some good pulls. Last pack of Phantom Forces. Oh, we get nothing new. Mystery Energy. It's not bad. But now on to Flash Fire. Oh, lots of new. Magnetic Storm. Carbon Hollow. I have the reverse version of that. And then next, X and Y. Not much from this. Now on to, oh, not that many left. Plasma Storm. Oh, Magnezone. That's pretty good. A lot of people want that card. It's pretty much the only thing. 2 more packs left. Let's go Plasma Blast. Wow, so many new cards. Oh, every card was new. Plasma Energy, that's good. Then Electros. Looks pretty cool. So last pack, we already got a Mega Gengar EX and a Dialga EX. Let's see if we can get a full art N. Nothing from this pack. But I'm gonna recap. We got the Gengar. Oh, got the Gengar. Mega Gengar EX, and then I'll mark that as trade. Then Dialga EX. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.